Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be tearing down the front of the engine. So some things I have done. Obviously if you guys haven't seen my last video, we put the engine on the engine stand. I went ahead, took out the valve covers. All this intake, the intake manifold and everything that was up here was taken off while the engine was still in the car. I took off the crank pulley. I didn't have a puller, so it's kind of a pain. I also ended up taking off the oil filter adapter, took off the power steering pump, the water pump, and yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and go ahead to the timing, take off the timing cover, and I'll go from there. All right, so next we got a couple of 13s, some 10s, some 13s. I'm gonna take off these two on the top. Those are two 13 mils. And take off these. These two right here on the side, those are going to be 18s. I don't have a deep socket 18, so I'm using an open end. Okay, let's see. I still have to take off these here at the bottom. But before I get to those, let me just double check that everything up here is good. Looks like I got all the bolts out. Okay. I said 2, but there's actually 4. And these are oil pan bolts. So let me put these off to the side. I don't want to mix up on the oil pan with the timing cover bolts. Okay. I believe I got everything. I feel like I should just kind of break everything off because, you know, I am replacing almost everything in this car. Engine, whatever. There you go. Timing cover's off. I'm going to take off this gasket because I am obviously going to be replacing that. This is a big old thing. I'm going to set it over here somewhere. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and loosen up the tension by taking out the two tensioners. Start off on this side. That's the wrong socket. Okay. I did that twice. Alright, now that those two are off, same thing, this thing is covered in oil. So I'm going to leave it here. So most likely all these parts are going to be replaced. And I'm going to do a full timing chain. New guides, new chains, probably new tensioners, new everything. I want this car to be fully solid because I'm going to be, you know, pushing a lot of power. So, yeah. Now I need to take off these guides. Those look like 8 mils. So, grab my 8. That one's loose. So if you guys are thinking about doing this on your own, like you're just doing the timing, basically what I did, to be honest, like I said, this is the first time I am doing this. I literally just watched a bunch of videos, and I do work at a shop, so I kind of look up the procedure too. But yeah, if you don't have access to that like how I do, like I said, you know, you can just watch a bunch of videos. There's actually some really good tutorials out there. Alright, that's it for the timing. Everything's kind of removed. I think while I'm here, I'll go ahead and take off my oil pump. Just kidding, no I'm not. Because, oh yeah, I can. I'll take off my oil pump. What I want to do is take off the heads in the oil pan. Then I want to flip this over and then look underneath. Not underneath, but down there. I kind of want to know what's going on under there, because this motor hydrolocked, and I mean, all the answers is inside the block on what exactly happened. Basically what I'm going to do right now before I continue is I kind of want to label everything, all the bolts, where everything went. I don't know what I'm reusing, what I'm not, so I'm just going to keep everything. Well, I mean, except for this stuff and this stuff. I'm obviously not going to use that, but that's basically it. I don't think this was the best tutorial. I probably didn't do the best job in this video, but I mean, taking it off is really easy. Putting it on, I'm probably going to have help. I am, but I'll have help along with, I can look up procedures at my job. So that's going to be it for today's video. I just kind of wanted today's video to be me dismantling this part, and that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, where I will either start removing the heads. Yeah, I'll probably start removing the heads. I don't know if I'm gonna take the cam off. I probably don't have to. Well, I don't have to. But yeah, I'll probably remove the heads and go from there.